So what we do at FAST has never been more important. In order to stay in your homes for health, hygiene, safety, you need hot water. We're here to help. Our teams have gloves, P100 respirators, hand sanitizer to keep both our customers safe and to keep our team members safe. Let's beat COVID-19.
We at FAST are here to help.
I'm Aaron. Here at FAST, we're here to help.
We at FAST are here to help.
We're here to help.
We at FAST are here to help.
We're here to help keep people safe and clean.
You cannot fight COVID without hot water, so please spread the message that we are open and ready to help.
I'm Eric with Fast Water Heater, and we're here to help. We are an essential service, and we're here to help you stay safe and clean in your home. As you can see, we are stocked, and we're ready to go. Let's beat COVID-19.
Let's beat COVID-19.
So let's beat COVID-19.
Let's beat COVID-19.
Let's beat COVID-19.
And to keep people safe and clean, let's beat COVID-19.
Let's beat COVID-19.
Let's beat COVID-19.
Let's beat COVID-19.
Let's beat this COVID-19. Right, Brandon?
Whatever it takes.